Hello guys. I thought I would just make a small video demonstrating how we are going to do your exam on the 10th of March. Okay, so I don't want this video to be very long, so I'll quickly go to the main points. So you are going to log in into your module. Okay, so the course is Network and Cybersecurity Essentials. Okay, so in order for you, so these are the instructions. They have already been there since day one. So this is what you are doing. You are doing the component 2, which is worth 50%, and it is going to be conducted between 11 and 1. Okay, that's our normal time for our lectures on Tuesday, right? The only difference is you are going to be in 3 different rooms. Check your timetable, because some of you will be in 205, some of you will be in 004, some of you will be in 206. Okay, so that's the arrangement. Check your timetable so that you can know where exactly to go. Otherwise, there will be 3 invigilators. I'll be in IQ004 in case you want, or you are lost, or maybe you are not seeing your room in your timetable. I'll be based in IQ004. Okay, so to prepare for this exam, I said you should go enroll yourself on the networking basics course, which is a Cisco course. That's where our materials are coming from. So if you just click here, you'll be taken to the course. Otherwise, if you don't have the credentials, you start by signing up and then do the course. Okay, so if you click that link, it will take you to this course. So basically, you don't want to be doing everything, or you don't want to go through all the materials. You can just browse through. What is important is you just go to the last chapter or the last section where you can just go to the quizzes. Okay, so what is internet? Okay, so you can just select the correct answer, then say submit, you go to next question, like that. Okay, so this is how the test is going to be, only that it is going to be conducted on Moodle. I'll show you where you are going to get the test from. So you do all the modules. We have covered everything up to module 17. Okay, so you go module by module, and also for each, let's say module 1 to 4, there's a checkpoint exam. Okay, so the difference is there will be more questions on this exam, so probably maybe 11-12 questions. Okay, so but the concept is still the same, and that's the concept which you are going to apply in the exam on the 10th of March. Otherwise, you want to do everything. You want to do everything up and until module 17, where you do your checkpoint exam, and then you can also do the final exam. Okay, so the only difference here is you need to do the end of course survey first. Okay, because that's the prerequisite. Your exam won't be activated if you don't do the end of course survey. Otherwise, you need to go to the exam, and then it will be heavy, about 50 questions. Okay, so you can do so many attempts so that you practice. So that's it in terms of practice. Otherwise, this is how the exam is going to be like. There will be 2 links. Okay, so majority of you will be doing this, will be using this link, the 1-hour version, and then if only you are eligible to have extra 25%, that's when you are going to be using this link. Okay, so probably when you check Moodle now, you might not be seeing these 2 links, but they will be available obviously on the 10th. So what you just do is you click on the link, and then you attempt the quiz. You just be given 1 attempt, and then after you finish, you'll get some general comments like fail, pass, good, etc., just to give you an idea of whether you've passed or failed. Okay, otherwise the actual marks, you'll get them after 1:15. Okay, it's from 1:15 on the 10th. That's when you'll get your actual mark, which you have scored. Okay, otherwise when you do your exam starting from 11:15 or 11, you just get feedback like pass, fail, good, exceptional, etc., and then that's it. Alright, so all the materials are there, week 1 to week 5. Okay, so you can just check all the materials which you have been covering. Otherwise, I wish you good luck. Thank you.